Hey guys, coming to you from chilly, rainy Vermont. We're here visiting some friends, and we wanted to hop on here and give you guys some updates, and we also have a giveaway. We are getting close to 10,000 subscribers on YouTube, and we are so excited about that. And we wanted to put together a little giveaway, kind of to give a little punch to get there, because I think we're 92 something right now.
Right.
So we want to kind of give it a little nudge up to 10,000. So we have a giveaway coming up. So stay tuned to a little bit later in this video, and we'll talk about the giveaway and how you can enter it. But first, we wanted to talk about our plans. We're going to be, we finally have nailed down what we are doing the rest of this year, and also kind of the first couple months of next year. So we're going to go ahead and let Erin tell you about that.
Yay! Alrighty, so we're in Vermont now. We're going to head east to Maine and then kind of head south. And we have family to visit. We are going to visit some friends in Pennsylvania. And then we're going to head back to kind of our home. To Williamsburg, Virginia. The kids have really wanted to get back and see their friends for a bit since we've been gone for 11 months or 10 months. And so we're gonna do Halloween in our old neighborhood with all of our friends. It's a big deal, and there'll be a video to go with that because it's a big deal in our neighborhood that we just moved from.
It's one of those crazy neighborhoods where there's like hundreds of kids running around, so we didn't want to miss that again.
So we're head back to Williamsburg's Thousand Trails and stay there for 3 weeks, I think. And then we're gonna head up and do Thanksgiving up near Washington, D.C. in Northern Virginia. And then we're headed very south. We're gonna go all the way down to Florida. We're gonna stop in a couple of places, but do it rather quickly. And then we're gonna spend, I think, 3 months.
At least 3 months.
In Florida, around Orlando. Yes. And we might pop down and do some of the areas around there, but we're really gonna be focusing on Orlando. So be prepared for a lot of Disney-themed episodes and how we do Disney with our 3 kids that are 9, 4, and 2. So I hope you'll stay tuned for that because we are super excited. We love Disney World.
We do. We absolutely love Disney World. And we're really looking forward to, we've been there a couple times before, and it's one of those, we get there when it opens and we're there until it closes, and it's just long, exhausting days. But we're going to be there. Yeah. But we're going to be there for so long that we'll be able to just pop in for a couple hours, or just to go to a specific area, or just for the night, just for the fireworks or whatever. We're really looking forward to kind of decompressing Disney a little bit, and so there's gonna be a lot of Disney content on here. I hope you like it. We haven't met anyone that doesn't like Disney, so so be prepared for that. And we're also, Erin alluded to this a little bit, we're gonna try and get down into Miami because there's a lot of food down there that we want to eat. And we also are going to try to get down to the Keys, because last year when we launched, we tried to get down to the Keys to kind of start at mile marker 1. However, there was the hurricane late that summer before, and then all the snowbirds, so everything was all gobbled up, what hadn't been destroyed by the hurricane. So we're hoping, we're going to keep trying to get down there, at least for a week, because it's a long drive. It's a long drive down there. So there's a couple thousand trails properties down there that we're going to try and get into, so we got to kind of hunt on the calendar for those.
If you've been to the Keys, especially with kids,
let us know.
Yeah, let us know down in the comments of places we can't miss, places we have to eat at. We like to eat, and really what's there to do, because we really want to maximize our time down there, because I don't know if we're going to be able to go there as often as some of the other places, because it's so far to drive.
And also Miami. We know we've seen food shows and stuff. We both really like Cuban food, and obviously that's the place to go in the States for Cuban food. So let us know what your favorite Cuban restaurant is in Miami. We got a couple on our radar, but we'll have to see how those go. But we're definitely doing Miami. Keys, or maybe.
Yeah.
And then we have some family elsewhere in Florida to visit, and also the Tampa RV show. If you're going to be at the Tampa RV show,
let us know.
Mid-January, we will be there. Probably not all 4 or 5 days, but we will definitely be there at least 2 or 3 days.
Right.
So if you guys want to get together in Tampa, let us know, and we will put something together.
Yes.
And so I guess that's it for plans.
Yeah.
Okay, let's talk giveaway, because that's probably what you're actually here for.
Yay!
We are giving away 3 items to kind of celebrate and help kind of nudge us towards 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. Any of you can enter. The only prerequisite is that you have to subscribe to us on YouTube.
Yep.
Down in the description of this video, or if you're on the webpage already, there is a link to a blog post on our website, 5togo.com, and it'll also be the top link if you just go to the homepage. On this blog post, there will be a widget that you will see. It's from Glean. And you just go into that widget, you make sure you're subscribed to us on YouTube, and you hit the button on there and it'll check to make sure you're subscribed. And then there's also 4 other ways to enter, and you just follow the instructions below. Every one of these actions that you complete will put your name in there, you know, up to 5 times in the drawing. And then at the end of the drawing, we will randomly choose 3 names off of that list. So the more times you enter, the greater your odds of winning something.
Right.
So the 3 things that we are giving away, number 1 is a $20 Amazon gift card.
Who doesn't love that?
Yeah, because we know not all of you are RVers.
Right.
So...
But everybody shops on Amazon.
Exactly. So $20 Amazon gift card is item number 1. Item number 2 is one of these scratch maps.
Now, if you follow us on Instagram, you have seen these videos of me scratching this map off as we've gone to new states. And so you can kind of see it has the different states and the places we've been. I'm a little bit behind, so I know we're in Vermont.
Yours will come not pre-scratched.
Right,
you're not getting this one,
No.
you're getting one like this.
Yep, we're gonna get you one like this and send it to you. So even if you're not an RVer, as you travel around, just, you know, flying or whatever it is, how you travel, you can scratch off the map. Your kids can scratch it off.
It's pretty. It's
really
like watercolor
pretty.
underneath. You can put it in a little frame, put it up on your wall, show off where you've been or where you want to go.
Yep. And if you don't scratch any of them off, that's okay too, because it's really pretty if you don't scratch it off.
Yep, so that's item number 2. And item number 3, we don't really have to show you because it's currently in use, but we'll get you a brand new one.
Yeah, it's a new one for you.
It's a canvas shoe holder, and we looked and looked and looked and looked for one of these things, and it seems really silly, and you're like, why would I want that over like a $20 Amazon gift card? But the canvas shoe holder is awesome. It goes along the end of your bed. If you're in an RV, you just kind of screw it into the end of the bed, and then it has pockets for I think 8 or 10 shoes.
Yeah.
And if they're small shoes, that a pair will fit in the pocket. So
all my flip-flops are doubled up.
Yep. So I'm gonna go shoot some B-roll of this real quick and show you right here. That's ours in action, and we love it. It's a great place to put the shoes. Gets them out of the way, up off the floor. It's kind of like under the edge of the bed, so just we don't even know it's there unless we need to grab something out of it.
Perfect.
So that is item number 3. So the way this is going to work is we're going to draw 3 names, but they will be drawn in order. So whoever is drawn first, they get to choose what they want from all 3 items on the list. Whoever is, she's biased. So whoever is drawn second will get to pick an item from the remaining 2 items, and whoever's drawn third will get whatever's left. So if you are a winner at the end of this contest, it's gonna run for 2 weeks. I believe it's October 9th, I think, is when it ends. So we're gonna run it for 2 weeks, and when we draw names, we will reach out to you via the email that you put into the form below. And then we will go through the selection process, and we will get you your presents.
Send it to you.
Yep, so please go down below.
Hit the subscribe button.
Hit the link. Yep, you have to hit the subscribe button if you want any of this stuff.
Yes.
So hit the link down below if you're here on YouTube. If you are on the website, just go down and start using the form. So as far as we know, anybody can enter, but let's keep it to the United States. Sorry, Canadians and a couple other people that we know watch. But it's very expensive to ship things overseas.
Yeah.
So if you're in the United States, feel free to enter below, and we will work with you to get whatever item it is that you pick off the list if you're one of our winners.
Yay!
Thank you guys for watching.
We really appreciate it, and we really, really appreciate your support a lot. So the fact that you're watching this video makes it all worthwhile for us spending the time to do this, and we really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and join us at www.5togo.com.
And also make sure to check out our Patreon page. There are links to that below. We are trying to do some fun stuff and build up a community there, and we have super uber patron number 1, Dan Glass, and his family.
Yes.
They are enjoying meeting up. They're going to be meeting up with us in Pennsylvania and again down in Florida, and we want to meet up with all of you. And that is a great way for you guys to just throw us a couple bucks for these videos we're making just to keep us going and get some fun goodies along the way.
And then it makes us easier to kind of talk to you individually, or kind of meet you if we can, if we're coming through, if you're a part of our Patreon family.
Yes.
And so we would love to do that, and we'll see you later.
All right, bye guys.
Bye.